and gentlemen, the final presentation of the morning. It's Zoltán Balázs, who many of you will recognize. He's a regular speaker and contributor and always comes up with something new and something interesting. Zoltán.
So, hello everyone. My name is Zoltán Balázs, and this is exactly... Oh, shit. And can someone help me? Maybe. Sorry? Yeah. What should I do? Live debug mode? Or I do the presentation without? I do it this way, and maybe this works. Okay. So, again, my name is Balázs Zoltán, and this is not what I do at Kujo AI. So, if you think that if you go to our company and you can hack Minecraft, this is not what we do. Anyway, if you think about MC, my idea about MC was Midnight Commander, because I'm that old. But there is a new generation of people for who MC stands for Minecraft. So, if you don't know, Minecraft was released 12 years ago by Mojang Studios, and actually based on Wikipedia, it is the best-selling video game of all time. Originally, it was written in Java, and Microsoft bought it for some amount of money a long time ago, and I think one of the worst things they did with Minecraft is that they migrated all Mojang accounts to Xbox, and there was a lot of issues with that. So I started playing Minecraft last year, and so far I think I played like 15 hours with it as a regular player and not hacking it. So I'm a total noob in Minecraft. So if you have any questions regarding Minecraft, I don't know the answer. And if I do or say any stupid things in Minecraft, please don't blame me. I'm not a regular Minecraft user. And yeah, I probably spent a lot more time trying to figure out the hacks and how this whole Minecraft hacking industry works. Most of the things I show during this presentation is not mine. I stole it from LiveOverflow. If you don't know who he is or you don't follow him, you should. This is the playlist for his Minecraft hacking series. Last time I checked, it was a total 7 hours and 28 minutes of playlist for Minecraft hacking only. So if you have some free time, I highly recommend watching those. If you want to decompile the Minecraft Java code, you have to know that it's partially protected. There are different theories why it is protected. Actually, it's protected by a program called ProGuard, and you can call it a shrinker or optimizer or obfuscator. So maybe it's only for performance reasons that it's not in its original form, but luckily there are many people who love Minecraft, and recent years they created lot of tools which can help you decompiling the Java source code. So if you check out this GitHub project intermediary and yarn, and you follow this YouTube guide, you can practically have a proper version, proper decompiled version of Minecraft on your laptop with all the function names and variable names reverse engineered. But let me show this to you. So for example, by default, if you decompile the Java class, you will see things like file A, file B, file C, and all these very dumb variable names. Clearly, because this is Java decompilation, all the strings will be nicely still here, but it's not the best if you really want to understand how this stuff works. But if you do run this intermediary and yarn project, you will get something like this, where all the class names and all the variable names, everything is very nicely resolved. So you have to know that this is all reverse engineered knowledge. And at some point in time, Mojang also released the original source code, so now you can check how they name stuff and how the reverse engineers name stuff. I have heard that some cases the reverse engineering variable names make more sense than the original developer variable names, but I think that's okay. So if you know Minecraft, you know that you can run your own server. If you don't know Minecraft, maybe you don't know that, but it's practically very easy. You just find a proper server jar version online, you downloaded it. Probably the hardest part would be to install Java on your machine. There are some properties files you have to fill out, but it's really, really easy. And after that, you just run your server, and there it is. And for the next demos, I actually have to start my server. So let me do it. Sometimes it can take some time because it's Java. Yeah, and some fair warning regarding the demo gods. So I'm not doing live demos for many years, because something always goes wrong. And even in the very rare cases, when I do run live demos, I always have video backups. So what I'm doing right now is that I don't have video backups and I'm running live demos. So we will see how that works, but I checked Google Images search for sacrificing sheep for the demo gods, and this is what it came up. So I hope that's enough for the demo gods for today. So for our next demo, we are going to use a network proxy. In Python, there is this very awesome framework called Twisted, and you can even use it in penetration testing because it's a very nice proxy module which you can use for like thick client application hacking and stuff. And there is this module called Quarry, which is built on top of Twisted, and they implemented practically the Minecraft protocol as a network proxy. So the Python code I'm going to show you is stolen from LiveOverflow, and for some of his stuff he was using the wiki.vg website, where you can find all the interesting details of how Minecraft protocol really works. So if you think about doing a network proxy which sits between the Minecraft client and Minecraft server, and let's say that we want to implement teleport functionality. Clearly, there is no button in Minecraft client to say, hi, I want to teleport to some new position. So how do you do that? You create this network proxy, and whenever there's this magic command, usually people use the chat window for that, and when this network proxy sees this special command, then it can send the new coordinates to the server. That's the basic idea how you can implement this. But the question is, what can possibly go wrong if you send the updated packets to the server? And that's it, that's what you do. What's the issue with this approach? Anyone? So in this case, the server will have the new position, the client will have the old position, so the client UI will not update at all, and if you move, then you will send the new packets to the server. So practically, you teleported virtually on the server, but nothing happened. So it's very important to also send the new coordinates to the client as well. Otherwise, it will not work properly. So here is this teleport proxy already running. And meanwhile, let me start Minecraft. And we can also quickly have a look at the source of this teleport proxy. So as you can see, it's using the Twisted and the Quarry modules, and they have, and the LiveOverflow implemented this packet upstream chat message, and if it sees the command port, then it will figure out the new positions and send it to the downstream, the client. And it's Java, so it's slow. The other parts of this code is mostly like logging and stuff, so it's not that interesting. Yeah, live demo. This should start, like this worked 10 minutes ago. Also, what's fun regarding this live demo is that 2 weeks ago, this whole demo only worked when Wi-Fi was turned off. And yesterday, when I tested this particular hack, it only worked when Wi-Fi was on. So this is the fun with these things. So let me quickly kill this process, and hopefully it will work again. If Minecraft doesn't start, that's fun because all my demos involve starting Minecraft. But anyway, maybe I can go with the slides, and let's see if this starts or not. Yes, so LiveOverflow created a Minecraft server, and back in the days when I wanted to play with it, there were some online tutorials how you can find this server, and those tutorials were incorrect because LiveOverflow already changed how you can find his server. So I spent an awful lot of time trying to figure out what's going on. So if you want to find his server and play on it, then first you should have a very good server in the cloud. Don't do this from home. Actually, nowadays you can get a free server from Oracle, and then you do a mass scan on all of the IP addresses of the Hetzner internet service provider. You can find their ASN number there. And yeah, you should scan all the Minecraft ports with mass scan and grab the banners from it. Yeah, this is not going to work, so this is fun. What else can I do here? Let's kill this one first, and let's open Minecraft again. Is there any Java running? Not that much. Let's kill them all. Can I kill all? Yes. Hopefully this helps. So anyway, the original instructions were about this subnet, and I thought that LiveOverflow will only move his server in between this subnet, so I tried to find it here. Don't make this mistake because it's not there anymore. If you are lazy and you don't want to do a full mass scan, then on Discord some nice people already published their list about all the Minecraft servers in the Hetzner IP address, so you can practically use this one, and you don't have to do the mass scan. And yeah, then you can use specific Minecraft-specific scanner scripts, which will grab all the information from the Minecraft servers. There is this guy, Yorian Voltier. Stuff I did not steal from LiveOverflow from this presentation, I stole from him. So he already implemented this Minecraft server scanning client, and it worked really well for my use cases. So once you have this list, you should filter for paper 1.19.2 servers, because that's the server version of the LiveOverflow servers. You should filter for maximum players of 50. And now there is this very interesting thing which really confused me in the beginning, is that there is the real LiveOverflow server. But because LiveOverflow, he did not do any moderation on the servers, there were an awful lot of people who were not behaving nicely on the server. And because he was the server admin but didn't do anything with it, some other people took action. And what they did is that they filled the LiveOverflow server with bots, and they created a Rust-based proxy. And whenever you connect to this Rust-based proxy, they do a check of your IP that, hey, we know you, and yes, you are a good behaving citizen. And once you pass this check, then they allow you into the server by both proxying the connection and removing the bot they have there. And this was not properly documented anywhere, so I had no idea what I'm doing and what I'm looking for, so it was a bit odd. But anyway, so this is not working, as you can see it, and yeah, never happened. Like, I have used it all the time, no idea, and I'm not going to reboot my MacBook right now. Anyway, no live demos for today. You can learn from this experience. Anyway, once you find the IP address for the LiveOverflow Minecraft server, you can also use the Discord, and they have bots, and if you use the proper command to check the IP address, it will let you know that, yeah, you found the proper IP address. So by default, as you might know, you can only communicate with Minecraft server version if you have the same client version. Luckily, there are hacks around this, and I'm going to discuss those as well. But by default, if you don't want to play with those things, just use the same client version as the server version. Also, please don't use illegal clients, something like T-Launcher, because this is a proper server and it will check with the Microsoft authentication system that you bought your Minecraft client properly. And what was also confusing for me, that I did install a bunch of plugins into my Minecraft client, and it had these proxy buttons and proxy lists and whatever, and I got confused with this previously shown proxy. So yeah, it was very confusing for me because I had no idea what I'm doing. If you are able to connect to the LiveOverflow server, you will be greeted with this kick message that error, human detected, you are not moving as any bot would move. And this is part of the challenge from LiveOverflow, and clearly what you have to do right now is to hack the client or make a proxy which will run your position in a way that your positions XYZ are always round numbers. It's not easy to do that. Like, I'm not very good at Java and mixins and stuff, so I could not do that. But what's really nice in this whole Minecraft world, that there are multiple modding toolchains which you can use. One of the best is the Fabric toolchain, and all you have to do is to download jar file, install it. It will install the basic Fabric stuff into your Minecraft environment, and most of the plugins or mods you can use, they will also need the Fabric API, so you also have to download that and add it to your mods directory. Yeah, here you can see that I have the Fabric API, for example, here, and that's all you need. And after that, you have to figure out what mixins are. So with mixins, you can modify existing code in the base Minecraft game, and you can do it for injecting any custom logic or removing any mechanics or modifying values, stuff like that. If you're interested in the deeper details of how these mixins works, this is one of the best explanations for you. So, as I mentioned, Jorian Voltier already published his Fabric mods to play on the LiveOverflow server. So if you are going to the easy mode and you are not interested in learning Java coding and how the whole Minecraft stuff works, then you can just download these mods and run it on your client. And yeah, here you can see the release version. Actually, it was released 5 days ago, so yesterday I had to update all my Minecraft systems and Minecraft plugins, and they worked back in the times, but anyway. And yeah, here you can see how the mixins work, that whenever there is this player move client to server packet, then they are capturing the positions and orientations and stuff. And here is practically implemented this rounding stuff, that all of your coordinates will be rounded and that's sent to the server. And this is how you can bypass the human detection. What's actually really funny that 5 days ago Jorian published his part 2 of his blog post, and he already covers a lot of stuff what I covered in my previous slides, but I think that's okay. That's how life works. So yeah, I did show that because Minecraft did start. Okay, this is odd, but it will not work because it says it's offline. Jesus Christ. Let's check this. I'm pretty sure it will not work, but let's check it. So, as I mentioned, the Minecraft hacking community is pretty rich, and here you can see one client called the Matter client, and these are all the different functionalities you can turn on or turn off in your client, like anti-levitation, auto jump, auto walk, high jump. I have no idea what Jesus is, but there you have it. So it has an awful lot of features which you might use in your hacked client. So what's going on? Anyway, there is this fun story, and I think this exploit really shows how much time people are willing to spend in hacking Minecraft. So there is this guy called FitMC, and if you are into Minecraft hacking, I recommend you to follow him. And there is his video, The Fall of Minecraft's 2B2T. 2B2T is one of the old Minecraft servers. And what a hacker team did is that they found a crash in the Minecraft logic, and they triggered this crash by forcing the server to load an awful lot of chunks. And then they convinced the developers that, hey, you guys should fix this crash, because you can crash Minecraft servers with it. And after that, because this fix was implemented, now this fix actually implemented a vulnerability in the Minecraft server, because now there was an info leak in the Minecraft world where you could know whether a very far away chunk is already loaded or not. And they spent some months, and at least 3 or 4 people was full-time working on this exploit, but they have used machine learning and probability association to link users with coordinates. And they did everything just that they can track users, where they can find their bases on the map, so after that they can grief those bases and stuff. So they implemented an adaptive tracking system. They also recreated the 2B2T world in their own environment, because they already knew the seed which was used to generate the 2B2T server, and they were able to test all the changes in their own developer environment. And these guys were also really good with social engineering. So whenever people were complaining that, hey, someone possibly has an exploit and they are tracking people, then they were on the forums all the time trying to convince people that nothing fishy is going on. So yeah, they did a really great job, and I think it went for years. So they are really talented hackers. Okay, maybe something will work today. Let's see. So let me quickly show you the local proxy stuff. What do you think? Will it work? No? No. Clearly it won't. I have no idea what's going on. I blame the Wi-Fi on it, but anyway. Another fun story was the log4shell vulnerability. Log4j is a critical component of the Java world because everyone uses it for logging, and turned out that there was a very nasty vulnerability inside log4j. And as far as I know, the first mass exploitation of this Java vulnerability was in owning Minecraft servers. So that's fun that if you have the exploit where you can own the whole world, what do? Yeah, you clearly hack Minecraft servers, because what else? So practically what happened that if you send something like this in the chat, then the log4j component ran this command and interpreted it. So yeah, this was really bad, because you could also connect to other servers with this LDAP stuff, or what's even worse, that for example, if you are talking about Amazon servers running Minecraft, then you could also steal the AVS secret access keys with this method. And the remaining part, how this vulnerability was fixed, was also pretty bad, because there were practically blacklists around how people started to block these attacks. But yeah, the issue with blacklist is that you can come up with something like that, and it will completely bypass the full blacklist. And then people started to do filtering, like you are only allowed to localhost, but still this is a valid URL and it will not connect to localhost but evilhost, but the filter thought it's good because it has the localhost inside it. Yeah, so it was really bad. And yeah, at the end it was not just the Minecraft servers, but some enterprises were also owned with ransomware with this vulnerability, but we are not interested in that one right now. Yes, so but it's live. Okay, something is going on. We will see. Let me add some music, maybe that helps. Anyway, one of the best mods I really like in Minecraft are the X-ray mods. where you can filter out from the UI stuff like ground and hills, and you can only see the precious metal, for example, and this is how it looks like. So whenever you are looking for gold or diamond or whatever, you can use these X-ray modes to find this stuff. And when it comes to building with Minecraft, people can get really crazy, and I like that. For example, this was like a wave synthesizers where it only used Minecraft logic, but these colorful blocks were doing this wave movement. It was really nice. If you are into grieving bases, then you can build these bomber, which will send a lot of TNT to the ground. So it's really, really effective. If you want to build a calculator with Minecraft, then clearly you can do that. It will take some time, but you can figure this out. Or if you have all the time in the world, you can also create a quad-core computer. I tried to understand how this works, and I have to admit that I have learned more from this than at the university, because at the university, no one told me how computers work, but this was really, really good, and I understood a lot of things from it. Yeah, no live demos. Can we maybe try this? I'm sure it will not work. Anyway, my only problem with Minecraft is that now there is an entire new generation who believes that downloading and running jar files from random servers is okay. It is not. So please do not do that. But I think Minecraft hacking is one of the best ways to teach kids on how you can hack stuff, and things do not work always as the developers intended. So if you have kids and you want to teach them hacking, I think Minecraft hacking is the way to go. And sorry, no live demos for you, but that's all I wanted to share with you, and maybe you have some questions. Thank you.
Minecraft questions? Anybody? Yep.
So you mentioned that there are mappings for the obfuscated Minecraft files. And if I remember this correctly, the community also has mapping files as well. Are these intercompatible, or does a developer choose one mapping, for example, and build mods with that, or how does this work?
So as far as I know, practically everyone in the community uses this mapping. Like that's the de facto, everyone started building on this, everyone understands this, so people are using just this one as far as I know.
Okay, thanks.
Anything else at this time? No, it would appear not. Zoltán, thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
As always, thank you.